Hi everyone, I'm doing a fun day 5 challenge today and I think this is going to be our Friday series. Welcome to our 10 questions talk. I have to answer quickly, no overthinking, just real and raw. Let's see how fast I can go. You can join and comment your quick answers to Friday. We deserve to have fun. So what do you like to do in your free time? Me, I love peaceful time with my family, worship, music, and creating content that inspire others. 2, indoors or outdoors? Ako, I love it both. Siyempre, alam mo na yun, when you go out, masarap yung fresh air and siyempre, freedom. 3, most fascinating person you've ever met. A strong woman who turned her struggles into success. She reminded me anything is possible. 4, last book I really got into. A book about mindset and faith. How your thoughts create your future. Very powerful book. Siyempre, yung Bible. For me, is very important. Movies I really enjoy. True stories, inspiring journey, and family movies that makes me cry and smile. Amazing adventure. Ito yung dream ko. Traveling around Europe with my family, discovering new places, food, and memories. 7, pets I've had. For now, I don't have pet. Favorite drink, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. I love drink coffee 2 times a day. And of course, water. 9, social media scrolling, celebrities or friends. For me, it's friends. Because they are real people, real stories, and real life. 10, if I had unlimited funds to build my forever home. This is my peaceful house with beautiful views, sunshine, a garden space for family, prayer, and quiet moments. A home filled with love. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.